Hey guys, are you interested in seeing what I got at Louis Vuitton? Well, if you are, stick around. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm John. I'm a men's fashion and lifestyle blogger here in New York City. This past weekend I went to Louis Vuitton and picked up 2 items. In this video, I'll be showing you what I picked up. But before we get into that, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more men's fashion and lifestyle videos, as well as my daily life in New York City. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle here on the screen. I'd love to have you there as well. Now let's get right into the unboxings. So the first item that I'm going to show you guys today comes in this bag. The story behind this piece is it's part of the men's 2018 fall-winter collection. I did have to put a reservation in with my essay at the 5th Avenue store here in New York City in order to get a piece from that collection. So this past weekend she gave me a call, told me it came in. I decided to go in to see if I liked it, and I did, obviously, because I have the box here. So I'll get right into it. It does come with the receipt. It does come with all the packaging, so the blue ribbon. In this box is one of the magnetic boxes, so it's nice. So in the box I have the dust bag. This down. The dust bag is a drawstring dust bag, so really nice. And I picked up the Louis Vuitton Backpack PM. So this is part of the men's fall-winter 2018 collection, the collection that Kim Jones did before he left Louis Vuitton. It's in the monogram titanium coated canvas, so as you can see it kind of changes as you move the bag around. It also has the cowhide leather trim. It also comes with a luggage tag on the side, and the hardware is in the titanium color. So with this backpack, there's 2 main compartments. There's the larger compartment here, which will fit all your essentials, your laptop. It does have one big open space. It has 2 pockets and a bigger pocket in the back. It also has the stamp back here that says Louis Vuitton Paris, and this one is made in France as well. In addition, there is a pocket in the front. So this is another zipper pocket that you can put some additional items in if you would like. And here's the back of the bag. So it just comes with 2 straps, and the bottom of the bag as well. So I like it how it is pretty structured. It isn't 100% structured backpack, but also not a backpack that will just kind of fall down. So I did like it. It did seem like something different kind of print, and very unique as well. So I picked this up. So the second item that I picked up came in this bigger box. Again, this one I was not expecting to get when I went to the store. I was really only expecting to walk out with the first piece that I showed you, but this bag is also part of the men's fall-winter 2018 collection. So when I saw it, I tried it on, and it really looked good on, and it is a versatile piece. So I figured, since it is so versatile, I might as well also pick it up. So it comes in this big box with the dust bag as well. Put this down. So it comes in the drawstring dust bag just like the first one. And the item that I picked up was the tote. And this tote is in the new kind of monogram coated canvas, and so it does have like a glossy glaze over it, so it is unique and different from your normal monogram pieces. And as you can see, it is a versatile piece. It can turn into a backpack. You can wear it as a backpack. If you don't want to wear it as a backpack, or if you just want to wear it as a tote, you can tuck these handles in, and so it does disguise it as just a tote. So the bag also comes with the black hardware, so it's really different. It has 2 compartments. It has one zipper compartment on the side here, and then the bigger compartment at the top of the bag, that's also zipper zippered. And then the bag just has one big compartment. It does have 2 pockets here and then also a zipper pocket, and also comes with a booklet inside as well. So here is another view of the bag, the side, the back, and also the bottom. So yeah, this one was not expected when I went to the Louis Vuitton store, but my SA pulled it out, showed it to me, and I really did like how it has that kind of glossy finish to it. So it's definitely a unique piece. Well guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me with my first YouTube video. It was so exciting to show you the 2 pieces that I picked up from Louis Vuitton. In the comments down below, please let me know which of the 2 backpacks you enjoyed the most. Which one would you have picked up if you went to the store? Also in the comments down below, let me know if there's any videos that you would like to see in the future. Since this is my first YouTube, I would love to hear your feedback on what you would like to see, whether it's from New York City videos, lifestyle videos, fashion videos, or more haul videos. I'll be open to hearing what you guys are interested in seeing. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.
If you don't like the way I talk, then why am I on your mind? If you don't like the